Hello everyone, it's me again, your Ate Foka, and for today's video, we are going to react to Drag Race Philippines Season 3 group performance. So I'm so excited about it because on Season 1, they went from this, like this. And girl, I don't know if they can beat that. Like, even until now, it's one of my favorite girl group challenge, or I mean girl group performance. So let's see if they can beat it. Hoping for the best. Let's go.
The title is Dapat Pakak. Okay. They have the same beat with the first season 1. Wow. Oh, Maxi. Dapat bulat. Look. Oh my god, look at Maxi. Who's that? Verset. Verset is wearing something different. Why? Okay. Oh my god, so far I love it. They're all good dancers except for Versex. Oh my god. Okay, Kiana. Okay. Dirty. Okay. Shit. Kiana is really great. Is really one of the best performer of this season. So yeah. Angel. Oh my god, that body. And the hair. This really suits her well. All the Oh, Simbading, of course. Simbading is also known for the tricks and very high performance. But I cannot take out my eyes to Maxi. Maxi and Kiana. Oh God. Dapat sakap. Oh my God. Okay, then. Alright. It's like, do white, kicking liver. Okay, where's sex? Alright, where's their sex? Bakit may papanyo? Oh, ito na si Maxi. Oh God. God. Okay, nakakaloka. Ang galing. Oh my God. Yung mga runs. Oh. Oh my goodness. Nakaloka si ate. Yung boses si ate. Ang galing. Perfect. Perfect na sana kung wala si Versex. Sa totoo lang. Bakit kasi sinam? Okay, next is Big Chanel. Perfect. Ganda niya. Ganda niya sa Turlaw. Hindi naman natin kung sino ang pinakamagaling dito sa group na to. Jai. Ayan, I love the outfit, ha. Bakit ganun yung outfit ni, ano? Ang tawag dito? Nakakalimutan ko pa yung mga pangalan. Alright. Okay. Hata. Face. Face card si Akla. Malala. Fuck it. You gotta get that. Ano yun, baby? I'm just kidding. May props sa ate. At lahat na si okay, Chelsea. Finally out of please. Utang na loob. Galingan mo. Okay. Okay, the last patapa kaya dapat para lagi. He's a baby. Hati sa baby, hindi siya nag-fight ng hair. Laging ganon. Yeah, I still love it. Si Judith, pumunta ka lang. Pangalan nun. Bakit ganun yung outfit ni ate? Make me feel. Pero, it helps with the movement, especially non-dancer siya. Kaya, at least, diba, nakakatuloy yung outfit. Yun ang, sa tingin ko, ang reason kung bakit niya ginamit yung ganun yung klase ng material o outfit. Video ready. Okay, miss. Hindi ako nakapag-focus sa verses nila, ha? I get a recognition piece. Sound just naman na private yung mix it away. Okay, loving the outfit. It's so young. Gusto yung parang didress na something. Everybody look at me. That's me. Kaya I think si John ang pinakamagaling sa grupo na to. Siya agad yung nakakatch yung attention ko. And Tita Baby. Just her and Tita Baby. Malalat yun. Yan na, show noon ate. Grabe, hataw na haraw sa kabila. Just, kung ba 100% yung energy, hataw sa kabila, ewan. Very demure yung sa kabila. Kami sa ibalis, baklaan talaga ng malala sa kabila. Outfit pa lang, kasi alam natin na itong hilo mas magaling. Sa akong hilo talaga yung performer. Ay, ano yun, may nagpula ka? Sino na Kiana si si Angel. Ano yun? Nakuha sa camera. Gusto nila yung may high note na yan, te. Ang galing! Oh my God! Ang galing, pero depay pa sa season 1. Yung boom, tuloy, hindi mo akalain na itong si Bading. Mas gusto ko pa rin yung time. Hindi naman ako disappointed, pero hindi lang talaga nila na-beat. Oo, pero ganun talaga. Wala makakatalo lagi sa original. Laging yung original ang pinakamaganda. Aminin natin yan. So, that's our reaction and we're waiting for season 4. Good performance.